guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually going to be doing a French makeup look for 5 minutes. This French makeup look, very minimal and quick makeup application, will give you a natural soft glow finish. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and review that would actually going to enhance your beauty and to save you some money. Enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you, and I really appreciate all your help. For a minimal and a quick makeup application that will give you natural soft glow and only using a minimal makeup products, be able to save some money, please keep on watching. French women, skincare comes first, and it is also very important that they also have to use an SPF with the sunscreen protection on their moisturizer. All the products that I use today down the description box below. Like a natural soft glow to enhance their beauty, so they actually like using less makeup, using the Lancome foundation because this has actually got a natural coverage. It goes on sheer and it's buildable, so it actually looks like a skin, so your skin can actually breathe. It actually also holds sweat, humidity and water without clogging your pores. And they don't like using a brush. Bronzing cream from Chanel, applying this on my eyelid. I know they don't like pink blush or orangey blush, and they love using cream products on their makeup. Highlighter, I'll be using the Skinfish Mineralized Soft and Gentle subtle highlighter from MAC. A highlighter on the higher points of their cheekbones and also on the Cupid's bow. Okay, so I'm going to be curling my lashes. The L'Oreal Telescopic Extra Black Mascara. The Chanel eyebrow pencil. With their brows, they don't like defining their brows, but they like to feather your brows and just follow your natural arch. A red lipstick, MAC Ruby Woo, and they actually love to wear different shades of red lipsticks that are actually going to give that statement makeup look. They love enhancing their natural features, so they wanted to apply their makeup in a minimal and quick makeup just to enhance their beauty that will give them a natural soft glow. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below if you've done French makeup look before, and please let me know what your tips in applying your makeup. And please let me know what video you want to watch next. So much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.